Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So I have a new best friend. Unlike my old best friend, this one keeps my pool clean. Let me introduce you to my robotic surface pool cleaner from HoloJack. My favorite feature about this skimmer is that it's solar charged, and that feature makes it so easy to use. I come out every morning, turn on my pool pump, put the skimmer in the pool, and go about my day. How great is that? My pool is set up a little different and it doesn't have a skimmer of its own. So I would spend a whole lot of time and effort every day to try to keep my pool clean from bugs, leaves, and other debris. But now, thanks to my new little buddy, I can spend that time relaxing in my pool or playing with my kids. I have a lot of trees in my yard, including 3 cottonwood trees, and we all know that the cottonwood fluff from those trees can clog up your pool and just make it no fun to swim in. But thanks to this little skimmer, he picks them up with ease and it's very easy to clean. This skimmer has a charging port, but I have not had to use it. Even on cloudy days, this robotic skimmer still runs all day with no problems. And I love that it has a radar detection, so it never gets stuck on my pool ladder or any other obstacles in my pool. It has 2 speeds you can choose from, normal speed or fast. I usually set it on normal, but after I cut the grass or the cottonwood trees are acting up, I put it in high gear and my pool is clean in no time. I love that it's lightweight, so even my kids can set it up. We love this little machine so much, my son even named it. He named it Carl. And who wouldn't love something that helps you do mundane chores? So if you're ready to stop wasting time cleaning the debris out of your pool and spend more time relaxing and playing, then I highly recommend this solar pool skimmer from HoloJack. And that's my point of view.